you're not making money on your YouTube channel because that's what you're focused on. To be honest, let's call a spade a spade. When you're focused on the wrong things, you won't go far. I've done it. It doesn't work. Anyone who sells you on like, oh my God, you're going to get monetized fast. And oh my God, you're going to do all these things and make all these monies. Be careful. I'm telling you, I've spent $50,000 of mentorship on broken promises and things that just didn't make sense. Most of the time, the advice that's on YouTube is very masculine driven. And the reason why I share that is because there are some women who talk about YouTube that are sharing masculine strategies. And to me, no offense, I study human design. I love my human design. I'm a projector, so I'm not here to execute. I'm here to guide. And then I'm a life path master 11th, and I'm into like cultivating and learning and being in a spiritual illuminator. Like, I'm all the things of a non-worker. Why the heck am I going to execute something that is not within me to cultivate? Now, you may not understand anything I just said when it comes to human design or astrology or life path, and that's fine. But the point is that when I was so focused on money and vanity metrics and executing, I burned myself out. So much so that I put my health at risk. I gained so much weight. I stressed myself out. I stressed myself out to the point where it affected my marriage and who I do life with and my family and my relationships. It was so bad. To me, when you're focused on the wrong things and you're guided by people who are executors, who are busy bees, who are natural in the sense of being in their masculine place and mindset, you're going to burn yourself out. I did. So I'm going to save you the headache of going through that and tell you to do it different. It doesn't have to be this way. I want you to understand that all the strategies work, but the way you execute as a woman, specifically, no matter what your human design, astrology, or life path is, women execute different. And when you understand that, it will change the game how you show up. Cultivate your superpower. Stop taking advice from people who get burnt out or who do things in a hard way that make no sense to you. You don't have to worry about the money. You don't have to worry about chasing anything. Instead, all you have to do is sit back and let the universe and God and allow yourself to attract and be magnetic to your success. That is the power of a woman when it comes to being a content creator and YouTuber on the platform. So if you would like to know more information of how to cultivate that soft, feminine woman and execute in a way that is easy, overflow, and you don't have to chase, but you attract, feel free to check out the Feel free to check out the training on my page. My goodness. The training on my page is where I walk you through step by step of how to execute like a female, like a woman, with ease and flow. Because, girl, we saying goodbye to the hustle. We saying goodbye to the hard. We're saying goodbye to the execution. And hello to being magnetic. Hello to being easy. Hello to being soft and feminine without overwhelm. So I hope to see you there.